ha preng ka jingjur ki jingdheng kali ha nong ba shillong u Nongthaw an ka Seng TMC iba Charles Pungrop ila kentu ya ka Sarkar Jilla ban Pyrshah ban Wanrah da ki Sky Train kum kalar ka ban ne slam ha ka Ialeh ban penduna ya ka jingdheng kali ila ai Jingmut ban shna ya ki lintirel na jrong khnang ban penduna ya ka jingdheng kali ha ki jakasor khamtam ha bakmi ya ka jingduna jaka Iba Pungrop ila terwaru ban penya ya ki bos haman ki skul da ka boong baka ne kala penduna ya ka jingdheng kali hajela asam na ka jingduna ki kali private ban yat ha ka por bakhamnya kadba ila kuburu ya ka jingyarap jong ka jingpenya ya ki stem bus ila pensngopat ya ka jingsngok khia shaphang ka jingpenyeng ya ki harut surok kabala wanlam ya ka jingkhapnya bat ka jingslam
If you just go to a bordering state of Assam, you will see that every school, no matter how big or small, parents use the buses. And they are not air-conditioned buses. In the heat, the children travel. In the dust, they travel. Yet, it is the most convenient way. So I will request you to go through that document, which is published by the STEM Society, and you'll be surprised at the amount of benefits that the entire community derives by using this. Exactly. See, what's a skywalk? Skywalk is an elevated road which takes people. So in that place, instead of a skywalk, if you can have a sky train, it'll go all around the city. If that is possible, it should be examined.
Ka Henyo Trap Youth Council HYC